I went to Google health coaching and expecting Wikipedia to come up, and of course the Health Coaching Institute came up. And so from that response was initially, oh, I can make 10 grand a month. And then as I dived deeper into what this was, it was, oh, I can transform people's lives from within. And so that's what drives me every day. The amount of support and connections you get from all the different coaches is just priceless. I think my biggest transformation is within, and I'm just so much more grounded and calm and aware. And there's not that go, have to push, have to be the best, comparison, comparing myself to others. It's just where I am at is unique and amazing right now in this moment, and everyone else is as well. And there's so much energy in that. Like, I have so much more energy to do everything. I have two little ones, and I get to do this life and be their mum and go home and then do school runs and have this business and come here, and I have an incredible amount of energy. I live by example, and I'm constantly getting asked like how, and it's just, the Health Coach Institute is family. When you step in here, you belong, you're loved no matter what, no matter where you are and where you're going, and you're just supported. What else is there not to love? Yeah.